Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get to skill.net for Among Us. So if you didn't know, skill.net is where I get all my mods like zombies, 50-50, zombies again, cops and robbers, troll, twins, and more. So as you can see, this is the Among Us like loading screen, and as you can see on the top, not top, bottom right. You can see the skill. It says skill.net instead of Europe, Asia, or North America. So yeah, and guys, before we start this, make sure to subscribe for more content. Like this video if you found it helpful in any way, and make sure to go to my Twitch, which is on the screen right now. And yeah, thank you very much. Let's get started. You gotta type in skill.net server switcher on your App Store or Google Store, and it'll come up with this. So as you can see, skill.net Among Us mods. That's what you're supposed to click on, then download it. So yeah, after you do that, I don't know how to say that, with Innersloth. So make sure Among Us is closed. Skill.net is the world's first custom Among Us server. Play zombies, crazy colors, twins, and much more, as I said. Played by Sondi, Sux41, H2O, Delirious, Jelly, and others. These adverts help us pay for the cost of running the server. Okay, yeah, so after you do that, make sure Among Us is closed. You press play. Okay guys, after you press play, this will come up, as you can see, the screen that we had in the beginning. Skill.net on the bottom right. And if you create a game, okay, for some reason it's not letting me play. Oh, for some reason it's not letting me play, but I don't know how to fix it, but I'll try. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you watch my other videos, subscribe to me, and like. Bye guys.